Time for Trading Nation. Nike hitting an all-time high after a Piper Jaffray upgrade and pushing the entire athleisure space higher along with it. Under Armour and Foot Locker are both up around 2%, while Lululemon reaches its own record as well, higher by more than 5%. Do all these stocks have more room to run? Ari Wald is with Oppenheimer and Bill Baruch is with Blue Line Futures. Gentlemen, good to have you here. What do you think, Ari? Are you going to chase Nike or do you like something else?
I like Nike. I think you let it run here. I think you add to it, add to your winners. First off, let's set the table. The equal-weighted S&P Retail ETF, ticker XRT, breaking above 3-year resistance. So there's top-down tailwinds here. I think the industry continues to rally, including these apparel names. And as I led in with, stick with your winners. Nike, a stock we've been on this show talking about a few months back. And I think the key point here is that relative to the S&P 500, the stock is still retracing underperformance dating back to its 2015 relative peak. So relative to the market, breaking through resistance levels, a positive trend. We can see that rising 200-day moving average. We think that relative ratio continues to rise, indicative of continued outperformance in Nike. Stick with it, add to it.
All right, Bill, how about you? Do you like Nike? Do you like the sector? Do you like something else within the sector?
I would not fight Nike. It's making new all-time highs, and I think it still goes. But I want to bring attention to Under Armour. Warren Buffett says invest in what you know. And I know Under Armour. You can find me from the health club, the golf course, anytime on the weekends. I'm wearing Under Armour, and I think that applies to a lot of people out there. There is no age barriers. Now, it lost, what, 80% from where its high was, and this is a turnaround story right now, but it's stabilized, and I think there's some long-term value down here with limited downside. Look at the earnings report recently. They did show revenues gaining 8% year over year. You're starting to gain traction, and I think you'll find it higher. Again, I think this is a nice investment for the long term and finding value that has in something that has lost a lot of it and looking forward.
It's not just a customer. He bought the company. It's an old joke of an ad, right? Thank you, guys. Bill and Ari. For more Trading Nation, head to our website or follow us on Twitter at Trading Nation.
Hey traders, did you like that video? There's more where that came from. Scroll down and click on the links to the right of your screen. We publish new videos and commentaries from our experts every day. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Trading Nation.